Good day, everyone. I am Gyanne Ollica from STEM 2A Domus Area. So for today's video, we will tackle the lesson Finding the Limit of a Function using Factoring. But first, what is limit of a function? The limit of a function is a value of the function as the input of the function gets closer or approaches some number. Limits are used to define continuity, integrals, and derivatives. And lastly, the limit of a function is always concerned with the behavior of the function at a particular point. So we have here some words that we will encounter later. First is limits. A limit is the value that a function approaches as the input approaches some value. Next is derivatives. The derivative is the instantaneous rate change of a function with respect to one of its variable. Next is factoring. Factoring a polynomial means to rewrite the expression as a multiplication. And lastly is function. In mathematics, an expression, rule, or law that defines a relationship between one variable, the independent variable, and the another variable which is the dependent variable. So meron tayong example 1 here. The limit of x cubed plus 8 over x plus 2 as x approaches to negative 2. So dito, gagawin natin yung negative 2, i-substitute natin siya sa lahat ng x. So sa numerator, meron tayong x cubed plus 8. So yung x doon magiging negative 2 na siya. And then sa denominator, meron tayong x plus 2. So yung x doon magiging negative 2 na siya. After natin siya ma-substitute, i-multiply natin yung may exponent. So sa numerator natin, meron tayong exponent. So meron tayong negative 2 cube. So i-multiply natin yung negative 2. So negative 2 cube is equals to negative 8. So sa numerator natin, meron tayong negative 8 plus 8. Sa denominator naman natin, yung x plus 2, yung x doon magiging negative 2. So we have negative 2 plus 2. So sa numerator natin, negative 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So and then sa denominator natin, we have negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So magiging is limit natin is 0 over 0 or the limit does not exist. So, ang gagawin natin yan is ipa-factor natin siya. So, sa factoring, meron tayong x cubed plus 8, then x plus 2. So, dyan, titingin natin kung ano yung pwede natin i-factor. Ang pwedeng i-factor dyan is x cubed plus 8. So, yung factoring niya ay magiging x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, makikita natin na yung numerator natin and denominator natin ay same. So, gagawin natin dyan ay ika-cancel na lang natin. So, ang matitira is x squared minus 2x plus 4. So, dito is may mga x na naman tayo. So, gagawin natin dyan is i-substitute natin yung limit natin na negative 2. So, negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So, negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals to 4. And then copy the 4. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 12. So, yung limit natin is 12. So, we have here another example. The limit of 5x over x squared plus 2x as x approaches to 0. So, yung 0, i-substitute natin siya sa lahat ng x. So, sa denominator natin, meron tayong 5x. So, magiging 5 times 0 kasi yung x, pinilitan natin ng 0. Sa denominator natin, meron tayong x squared plus 2x. So, yung x, papilitan natin lahat siya ng 0. So, magiging 0 squared plus 2 times 0. Then, sunod is 5 times 0 is equals to 0. And then 0 squared plus 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So, yung nakuha natin sagot is 0 over 0. And then, hindi siya pwede. So, magiging sagot natin is, the limit does not exist, or DNE. So, gagawin natin is factoring. I-factor natin yung 5x over x squared plus 2x. So, dito, between numerator and denominator, pipili tayo ng pwedeng i-factor. Ang pwedeng i-factor is yung denominator, which is x squared plus 2x. So, magiging x times x plus 2. So, makikita natin na yung numerator merong x at ang denominator may x. So, gagawin natin is ika-cancel natin. So, magiging 5 over x plus 2. So, meron tayong x dito. So, itong x is mapapalitan ng 0. Kasi, as x approaches to 0. So, magiging 0 plus 2. So, 5 over 0 plus 2. Final answer natin is 5 over 2. So, ito na yung final answer natin. The limit is 5 over 2.